What's up, you guys? If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. If you're new, hi, my name is Solimar. We do all things beauty here, among other things, and I would really appreciate it if you stuck around and hit that subscribe button and join part of my family. This is the look I created today in the video, so I'm giving you guys a little sneak peek of what it looks like. And if you guys want to see how you guys can achieve this look, please keep watching. I feel very inspired. I felt inspired for a while. I've had these nails on for a minute, but the day I got them done, I was inspired to do kind of like a springy makeup look. I finally have some time to sit down and play with you guys. So these are my nails. These are what they look like. Some rhinestones, I think 2 rhinestones fell out already, and yes, I did these nails myself. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna do my brows off camera real quick, and I'll be right back when my brows are done. So my brows are done. I'm going to prime my eyes like I always do with the Defend Your Artistry Morphe eyelid primer. This one right here. And this is in the shade Translucent. And I want to do something fun. I haven't done a really fun makeup look in such a long time, but I also want to make it look wearable. I don't want it to look too much, but at the same time, just something a little bit out of what I've lately been doing. Right now, I don't really have a plan. So I'm gonna go into the Tati beauty palette. Actually, I'm gonna use Soothe, this shade right here, and I'm just gonna use this and swipe this into my crease. So my brow hairs are kind of going crazy. Like so. Gently drag it out. Going into Cherry Wet a little bit, just a little bit. This is like super potent. And I'm just going to place this right on my crease. That same brush that we use, the Morphe A11 brush, I'm just gonna make sure I get a seamless blend with my transition shade. Do the same thing on the other eye. To give this an even more seamless blend, which it's looking a little blotchy right now, I'm gonna go back into Soothe again, and we're just gonna apply her right over top. This will help give us a very seamless blend and not such harsh lines. Sorry. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now, get a clean brush and blend everything together once again. I'm gonna go into raspberry a bit. This is just gonna help deepen up my crease even more. And I'm just gonna stop it right over here at the edge of my eye. And with this same brush, I'm just going to intensify it again. I'm gonna go into Cherry Wet lightly. And I'm just going to blend those colors into one another. A smaller blending brush. I'm gonna go back into the Tati Beauty palette in Soothe again. You want to make sure you take your time to really blend those shadows out, and I'm using the brush A20. Alright, take this brush right here. This is the Ariel A19 brush, the flat side. I'm gonna take some concealer. So I forgot to mention that I'm cutting my crease. So that's just what we're gonna do. We're gonna create a half cut crease. The concealer, by the way, that I'm using to cut my crease is the Incognito concealer by Wet n Wild. Go back into the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm gonna use Sour, this shade right here. I'm going to place it all over the concealer. I'm going to go into this kind of like blue shade. This is Brain Freeze right here. It's so pretty. I'm gonna turn it to the other side of the flat brush, and then I'm just going to transition it into the green. I'm gonna take a different flat brush, and I'm just gonna use this very purpley shade. This is Gumdrop. I'm just gonna place Gumdrop right next to that blue. I'm gonna go into Cherry Wet. I'm just gonna place it right here on the outer corner, just to help blend all those colors together and tie them to one another. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that everything looks nice and blended. take the One Size Point Made liner, and I'm just going to do a small little wing, hopefully. I did mess up my liner a little bit on this side. I'm gonna wait for that to fully dry and then I'll clean that up. I'm gonna take my Pure Out of the Blue palette and I'm gonna take this glitter. I feel like it's so matte. Okay, yeah, that looks better. And this will just give it some, you know, light shimmer. But I feel like I should take with my finger. If you mess up your liner, it's okay. You could take some toner with a cotton swab or makeup remover, micellar water, anything like that. Scrub it off. And go back into Sour. Yeah, we're gonna apply it right over top of our mistake. That's as good as it's going to get. Apply some of that Chill Out shade. So we're going to curl our lashes. Apply my mascara. This is my Solimar Beauty Mascara in Noir. I lost the box and I don't remember what brand these are. I'm just gonna measure the lashes. And I'm gonna start it off right here. So I'm gonna put my Solimar Beauty Lash Glue in black. Going to look down and apply them as close as I can. To my real lashes. They look so pretty. Stop it. This look is actually coming out way better than I anticipated. And I'm just going to fast forward and do my makeup for you guys. You guys have seen me do my face tons of times, so. the green side, and I'm not going to apply any more shadow. And then I'm going to switch it to the blue side. I'm not doing anything crazy on the under eye. Just leaving it pretty bare, not that much makeup underneath. So this is the completed and finalized look. How do we feel about this look? I really like it. It really got me spring inspired, and it turned out way better than I thought it would, honestly speaking. And this is like side by side with my nose. It's not exactly what I was trying to go for, but it ended up looking nice. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see more spring tutorials, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on all your notifications so that you're able to see whenever I upload a video. I hope you guys have a blessed week or weekend whenever it is that I upload this, and I'm super excited to be uploading more often for you guys. I'm glad that so many of you are interacting, and it makes me very excited. So yeah, if you haven't followed me on my social media platforms, please don't forget to do that as well. With all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you and God bless.